Hi everyone. So I'm here to represent Team Code Warriors for the Signify hackathon. So our team basically consists of two members, that is myself, Priyank Shah, and my friend Pranjal Goel. So before coming to the actual solution, and let me just give a small basis around the problem. So uh, one fact for you. So that is that did you know that about 5% of the world's total population is deaf according to the WHO, and the people having such disability have only one basis or one major means of communication that is being renowned worldwide, that is the sign language. So sign language basically helps bridging the communication gap between the deaf individuals and the hearing world. By learning sign language, we together can create an inclusive environment wherein everyone can express themselves effectively. So also sign language help gain people with disability a sense of independence wherein they can participate in social interactions, education, and employment more effectively. Access to sign language basically empowers them to advocate for their right. So, in summary, promoting the sign language education and accessibility benefits both the deaf individuals as well as the society as a whole. So, after knowing this, the importance of the sign language, or after having this fact known to you, so now you could understand why how what is this solution about. So this through this solution, what we aim is to help any individual to learn or have a grasp over the sign language, and this same thing can also be used as a tool for the people having the hearing disability to read or get the text passages converted into the sign language. So have a look at this website. So as you could see, it's a quite a simple website consisting of one input box wherein you could just enter your text which you want to get translated and then select two options. So, I mean, one option from these two. So, the user has two options. So, basically, he could just go for the raw text. That is, he can just directly feed the text which he wants to get translated, or he could just specify the URL from where he wants the data to be fetched and then get translated. So let's have a look first at the raw text option. So I'm here adding the quite a simple text which I have prepared. I mean added to my clipboard for this demo purpose. So yeah, it's a quite a simple and small passage about computer engineering. So yeah, so before hitting, so on clicking the use raw text button, it basically feeds this whole text for translation purpose. So before starting the translation, so there are the few options which you could see. That let's have a look at this delay option. So this delay basically represents how much gap the time gap would be between two characters emerging. So let me just keep it for the at higher value for the demo purpose, so you could see how each character is being translated. If you keep it at a lower value, the translation would be, I mean, the characters would be going a little bit at a faster pace. So the user could basically tweak this according to his or her needs. So yeah, now let's go for the translation. So yeah, as you could see on hitting the translate, each and every character is being translated into sign language. Whatever character is being currently translated or shown via the image, that is being highlighted also. So yeah, also the user has a few options which he could try, that is the pause and continue. So while the translation is going on, I could just have the translation stop for a moment. Like let me just try. So on clicking this pause button, you could see the translation has paused, and on clicking the continue, the translation continues from where it was paused. So likewise, the translation would go on until the passage is completely translated. Also, the passage, the text which is being filled in here will basically keep stacking, and after a certain height, there will be a scroll bar coming in, which helps the user scroll the text and read it properly. So yeah, so this is the raw text option. So now let's have a look at the second option also, that is the URL option. So for this demo purpose, I have this one article open, one Medium article, simple random media article which I found from the website. And so for the URL that is as you could see, the user interface isn't much complex. You could just directly add the URL which he wants to, from where he wants the text to be translated. Then select the URL option from here. Then choose the use text from URL. So as you could see, the many things are here are ongoing, could be going in the background. So while some translation is going on, you could work on this thing also. So yeah, as you could see, I have the data has been fed from the URL to for the translation. Now on hitting the translation button, it will basically start the translation for this data. Yeah, so there must be some issue. Yes, so you could see that the translation has started. So you could see that text is pretty much matching from the website, and this text is being fed. I mean, this is the same text which is being used from here to get the translation done. Also, the same thing that I could just pause it anywhere in between and continue ahead. So yeah, that was all. So it's a quite a simple solution which you could see as we have proposed to promote the sign language and help users learn the sign language. Please do, if you liked it, please do have a look at our dev post article. The link for the same is being mentioned in the comment section below. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.